What's up everyone? Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I make money by losing money. Intro please.
How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with that bullshit, I just put it to the side. All the sense of clarity that you see in my eyes. Say congratulations.
What's up everyone? So I know it's a weird title and just stick with me. I'm going to show you how I turned a negative into a positive. Now it might sound a bit technical at first, but I promise it's super easy. I'm going to show you why this loss that you've seen on the thumbnail or what I'm going to tell you about is actually a profit. It's actually a profit for me and I'm actually making money on these trades. While it's clearly showing I'm not in a positive, I'm -5 or -6 or whatever. Let's jump right in and I'm going to explain to you exactly why. So firstly, we're going to jump on Google Sheets, which is like Excel, but just Google's version. And what I've done is I've extracted my transaction history from Easy Equities, which is a share trading platform, exported that to a Google Sheet document. And from that, here are all my transactions, dividends, whatever, fees. From that exported that to a different sheet to show you the deposit amounts, what I've deposited into Easy Equities. And now we're going to do a simple calculation, which is going to explain how I make money, actually a lot of money, while it's clearly saying I'm losing money. So you can also use this tactic if you're scared that the Rand will depreciate, and just my opinion, I think it will still further appreciate from this date. From today. So if you want to hedge yourself against future currency fluctuations, hedging means that you put in a trade today at today's currency exchange rate, whether that's 10 to 1 or 20 to 1, I'll explain that now. And whatever the Rand depreciates by is actually a gain for you. Sounds technical, but it's super easy. Let's jump right in. I'm going to show you how I do it. So what I wanted to do is get all the dates for everything so that I can work out an exchange rate at that specific date. But it looks like it's not necessary to do that. I've got all the exchange rates right here, except for this last one. I presume it was a different type of transaction, which doesn't show the exact exchange rate. But we can see here that the date is the 21st of February. So what we're going to do is just quickly go and get the exchange rate at that specific date. 21 February 2019. So the closing rate on the 21st of February 2019, 14.0174. What we're going to do is just copy that right there where it says exchange rate. And now what we're going to do is, this is the exchange rate at this specific date. So I'm just going to fill in exactly what is there.
15.47, 15.03, 13.29, 14.55.
So now we get today's rate. Just type in USD. That's going to give us a rate of 18.92 South African rands. Oh my goodness. At today's rate. So we're just going to copy that. So what we're going to do next is work out how much rand are these different trades. So or these amounts. So what we're going to do is this is a dollar amount, as you can see, and this is rands. So what we're going to do is we're just going to type a function into Google Sheets. I'm not going to explain how to do this. This is just multiplying this amount by the amount of dollars. So you're multiplying 15.47 rands per dollar times the dollar amount. So this is the times the dollar amount. Okay. And that's going to give us a rand value of 500 rand. Okay. I'm just going to round it off to 2 cents. And now just copy that to all these amounts. To make it interesting, we'll get a sum of all these amounts. 19,337 Rand. Okay? So now we're going to work out a gain on foreign exchange. Because all these trades are made on the New York Stock Exchange, everything is made in dollars. The account is in dollars, which means if the Rand weakens towards the dollar, that means, let's say I deposited this at 15 Rand per dollar. I paid 15 Rand to receive $1. Now, if I want to receive my money today, I can receive 18 Rand for that same dollar. Or if you just think logically, that's a gain. So you've made money from that. So now what we're going to do is work out a foreign exchange gain. I know it sounds like a smart term, but it's really easy to work out. Simple calculation. What we're going to do is going to type a simple formula, okay? What we're going to do is take today's rate, which is 18.92, less the exchange rate at the deposit date, okay? 15.47, and we're going to multiply that amount by the dollars, okay? So we times it by the dollar amount of 32.31. So that gives us a value in rands, okay? So this is going to be a value in rands, okay? This 111 is a gain on foreign exchange. So if I, at a previous date, exactly in this instance, if I deposited 500 Rand at 15.47, and forget about the shares and the value that the shares went up or down, just plainly using this, we can see that if I withdrew my money today, I can do this today and have the money in my account. So this is a real profit. I would have 111 Rand more than I had at the deposit date. So I hope this makes sense. Just rewind if you don't understand. So we're just going to do this for all the calculations or for all the transactions. You just drag it down. And just for interest sake, we're just going to get a sum of all these amounts. And that adds up to 5,800 Rand. Okay. Now remember, we deposited 19,337. So just to keep the calculation simple, I'm just going to write out here a percentage profit that I've made just on currency fluctuations. So a percentage profit, all that you're going to do is just type out a formula. This amount, the amount that I've gained, okay, this is the amount of profit on currency exchange divided by the amount I've deposited. So the return on investment, okay, so you have invested 19,000, made back 5,800. What's your return on investment, okay? In simpler terms, we're just going to type out it's 30%. 30%, okay? To get that to percent, just times by 100. It's a 30% gain that I've made, okay? Excluding what the shares did, excluding what the market did, I'm already on a 30% gain. I can tell you that's excellent. I just want to show you that even though it says right here, I've made a 5.5% loss, okay, on the total value of $1,338, which is $78. A 5.5% loss. If you deduct that from this, which is minus 5.5, and we get a sum, I'm still on a 24.5% profit, okay? So if you're from South Africa, okay, and you're scared that the Rand will still drop, or you need some extra motivation to use Asia equities and trade in shares, okay, I suggest going to trade in the US markets, just because those markets are much more researched. You get your blue chip stocks there, and it's much more safe, less risk to trade on the US markets, okay? In my opinion, personally, I just trade blue chip stocks that I know are going to make me money in the long run. I'm not in it for the short run. As you can see, these deposits have been made a long time ago, and I'm in it for the long run, guys. So if the Rand goes down, and it goes below 14.55 or 14.29, so be it. Then I'm losing 25% technically. Okay, so if I withdrew this today, I would have a 24% profit, which is excellent for just over a year of trading. Even though the markets went down. Okay, in my next video, which I'm going to record right now, but it's going to be a separate video, I'm going to explain why I invest in the stocks that I invest in. So I'm going to go over everything in my portfolio. Why did I invest in that stock? And I'm going to show you how to get stocks that suit you and suit your investment style. Okay, we're going to talk about risk, and we're going to talk about why and how to invest in which stocks. So right after you're done with this video, I want you to click on the next video, and we're going to get to how to invest in easy equities, how to invest in stocks. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it motivated you to make some trades. If you want to get on the Easy Equities platform, just click the link below. It is a referral link. I'm not really getting anything except a few bucks of commission costs, but commission costs on Easy Equities is the lowest you'll find in South Africa. Okay, and you can't trade on US stuff like Robinhood or whatever, because you have to provide your ID and you have to be a citizen of the United States of America. But you can trade on Easy Equities today and get the lowest brokerage fees, get the lowest investment costs to make the most returns. So thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like. Please, if you're watching the video, just give it a like. If you made it to this point, you must have gotten some value. Just give it a like. And if you want to see more, press subscribe for me. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Cheers.